Joe Beermaster, the Car Master, with a 2009 Mercedes GLC 300. This goes for multiple years. Show you where the air filter is on this bad boy. You go over this side. You'll see these panels, these little wing nuts. There's two of them. You turn them, then you lift up. Comes up very easy. The panel comes off. The air filter is right under here. Bada bing. Bada bing. So you just take it out, snap a new one in, put this bad boy back in place. Get the top first, then the bottom. Put the cover back on, and the whole operation can take only a minute or two. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.